Hello, it is Mr. Potenski here, and we are going to be doing the 8th grade review day 2 and working through these problems. Our first problem, you buy the same number of brushes, rollers, and paint cans. A brush costs $3.99. A paint roller costs $6.89. Paint costs $21.79. We are to write an expression in simplest form that represents the total amount of money you spend on painting supplies. So we buy equal numbers is one thing we need to know. So to to indicate this, we're going to break this apart. So if we're buying an equal number of brushes, paint rollers, and paint, we can write this as we spent $3.99. So we bought X number of those. And then we also bought that same number of paint rollers at $6.99. So 6.89x. And then buying the same amount of paint at $21.79, we have written this expression. We have 3.99x, 6.89x plus 21.79x. So after we write that, we need to put it in simplest form. These all have an x, so it's like if we had that many apples or whatever, we can combine them all together. So doing that really quick. We can use Desmos calculator. So we type in 3.99 plus 6.89 plus 21.79. So remember, when we're combining coefficients, we can just add, or combining like terms, we can just add the coefficients. Okay, so we get that is equal to 32.67x. And the next part of this question, okay, so 32.67x is what we should write here. So we can write that in our notes or our notebook. Okay, the next part is this means, what does this expression mean? So this means to buy one set of painting supplies, we would spend $32.67 to buy one set of painting supplies. Okay. The next thing it asks is, what is the cost to equip 3 painters? Well, if one set costs $32.67, 3 sets, we're going to multiply the cost of one set by 3 to figure out what it would cost to equip 3 painters. Let's see that real quick. So now we are there, so we can do 3 times 32.67, and we find out that it's going to cost $98.01 to equip 3 painters.